Solve equation. Question number 1. 4x squared plus 26 equals 126. The goal is here to get the value of x. So let's start by removing this positive 26 to the other side. So I'll write x for x squared equals 126. When you remove the positive to the other side, it will be negative 26. So for x squared equals 126 minus 26, it is 100. So next we have to remove the coefficient of the x, that means the 4. So I'll write here over 4. This one is also over 4. 4 cancelled by 4, or 4 divided by 4 times x squared. We get here x squared equals 100 divided by 4, 25. The square, we have to remove it by the square root, under the square root this one side also. Square root you cancel it by square, you get here x equals the square root of 25. It will be positive or negative 5. So the answer is x equals 5 or x equals negative 5. Thank you.